Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we'll study English rhymes. Okay. So, already we have learned 3 rhymes, and the last one which we have learned was bits of paper. I hope you all must have learned all the rhymes. Now, today we'll learn the 4th one. That is, 4th one means bouncing ball. Bouncing ball is omit. This one we will not learn. Okay. So, the next is butterfly, butterfly. This one we will learn. So, you can see the picture. Here is a boy. Here is a tree. There are flowers of various colors, and there are 2 butterflies. What is butterfly? In Hindi you have learned the rhyme titli. Butterfly means titli. So butterflies are very colorful. They have wings of various colors. They sit on different flowers and they make us feel very happy. In this rhyme, the boy is asking the butterfly that where do you come from? Okay, from where have you come? I know not, I ask not. That means I don't know from where you have come, and I will not ask also that from where you have come. Because I never had a home. The boy is telling that I also never had a home, so I am not going to ask you. Means by seeing the butterfly, the boy is feeling so happy. The butterfly is making him feel so happy that he doesn't want to know where do they live. As butterflies always make us happy. You must have seen some in your garden. They have beautiful colorful wings. They sit on different flowers. They make us feel very happy. So children, now I will read the poem. Okay. Butterfly, butterfly. You know the meaning of butterfly? From where do you come? That means he is saying from where have you come? I know not. No means malum, pata hona. Okay. So the boy is saying I don't know. I ask not. That means I will not ask also. Ask means to ask something. Puchna. Okay. So I know not, I ask not, I never had a home. That means I also never had a home. So I will not ask you where you are come from and where do you live. So now you understood the rhyme. Now you understood the picture, what it is saying. So now I will read it and you will read after me. Okay. Butterfly, butterfly, from where do you come? I know not, I ask not, I never had a home. Once again. Butterfly, butterfly, from where do you come? I know not, I ask not, I never had a home. Once more we will repeat it. Butterfly, butterfly, from where do you come? I know not, I ask not, I never had a home. Okay children, hope you all will learn it, and please learn all the 4 rhymes. Okay.